Thank you for the glow. I thank you for the joy. Thank you for the love you gave to me. I'm glowing, glowing inside with your love shining through. Thank you for everything you do. I'm glowing inside because of you. 2025 is a memorable year for every one of us here in Kapipol. Me, Sir Bern Maguyop, the main admin, the manager of Kapipol, Elmo, and Tito Kate Prado, our guest hosts, we face life challenges and pressures in this year. But when we think of it now, we really think that it's really part of life to make us a better person that upholds kindness, faith in God, and public service. We are so proud of who we are as a content creator and as your Kapipol. Our hard work, dedication, creativity, and courage have been matched by our supporters, followers, sponsors, and advertisers who believe in us. With that, we would like to end 2025 and begin 2026 with a graceful and grateful heart. From Team Kapipol, thank you for being part of us. First and foremost, to our followers, supporters, and fans, thank you so much. Special thanks to una, Congressman Jason Almonte and Ma'am Ruby Alay-Ala, to Mayor Lemuel Merrick Acosta and Ma'am Nanette Bandala, to our City Health Officer Dr. Aljo Guantero, and to our partner advertisers, iQueens Gadgets and Accessories, the iQueens Laundry Shop, Means Gadgets and Accessories, Tambayan sa Manggahan, Chill Lutong Bahay, Myra's Cakes and Pastries, Nelly's Coffee, Nelly's House of Sikwate, Tech Central, Chic Coffee, Proud Aluranon Cafe, Binilin Cafe, George's Cafe, Ka-Food Trip, Parisan sa Oro, Purple Cake Shop, Prince Hypermart Oroqueta City Branch, Potato Corner Oroqueta, Rob Bourbon of Oroqueta Film Festival, Tuyab Vengers, Kahakay Cafe at Kahakay Resort, Kinjelo Farm and Recreation Resort, Agresio Farm and Resort, Chopstick Resto Bar, Gel Private Resort, Villa Pablia Mountain Resort, Ching's Closet, CJ's Spa and Body Massage, Ethan and Shina's Playground, Beautify Aesthetic Center, Bahay Kubo Laundry House Usamis, Amonsot Eatery Ticketing Outlet and Spa, Juicy Fried Chicken, Sapangdalaga Floating Playground, Soap, Seafoods and Grill Kaluya, Bayview Restaurant Oroqueta City, Villa Tuna Oroqueta City Branch, Don Victoriano Tourism and LGU Plaridel and Tourism. As a trusted and reliable medium for local content creation, source of local information, this 2026 we will still be giving you updates that is timely, consistent, and what matters to everyone here in Misamis Occidental and for every Misamisnon. We are sure to uphold and make use of our trainings and learnings in content creation, journalism, and on reporting. In 2026, we will also focus more on local business updates, nationwide tourism updates, and fun vlogs as part of a challenge to ourselves to try something new and something new to offer. First off, we will be in Siquijor. This February, we will be sharing you a pre-summer showcase that will give every Misamisnon an option of wandering outside Misamis Occidental and where to go. Just a one ship away to Siquijor Island. We will share you a package tour that you won't miss. Be ready for it. We are so excited for 2026. We can't wait. So to all of you, this is your Kapipol Jandan Lim. Goodbye 2025. Hello 2026. Yay!